Good morning and welcome to Casual Chef Kitchen. I'm Chef Matthew. TGIF. Friday. It feels like a 5-day work week, but it really hasn't been. It's only been really a 3. Well, I guess for me, I work every day. But Robin only works 3 days this week, has another 4 days off, and then we'll work, I think, 3 or 4, whatever, another short week for next week. So, yes, but it's Friday. And for us, it's Meatless Friday. I'll get to that in a minute. Last night, I prepared creamy Tuscan chicken, Lebanese spicy potatoes, and garlic Parmesan green beans with bacon. Wow. A lot of prep, a lot of mise en place. I had 3 saute or fry pans going at one time. Had to break out the extra burner on the prep table where I did the potato work. I had the oven going. I had everything going last night. It actually came out very good. The spicy potatoes were spicy. Definitely Tuscan chicken. Not the prettiest in pictures, but it was very good with the spinach. And I actually added some shiitake mushrooms to the sauce, which added a little nuttier flavor and a little more texture to the sauce. The chicken was fork cuttable. Yeah, super tender. The beans were good. Added some Danny greens, broccoli sprouts to that to give it a little more kick. So last night's dinner overall was very good. So let's hit what's going on today. Like I said, this is a Meatless Friday. I do a lot of Meatless Fridays. A very simpler meal today than yesterday for sure. Tonight, I'm preparing mushroom piccata pasta. If you hear the word piccata, you're hearing capers. So let's start on this end. I'm using linguine, olive oil, kosher salt, fresh ground black pepper. I have some baby bellas. I have shiitakes. Obviously, you got to have mushrooms. White wine. I'm using jarred garlic today. And of course, the capers. Actually, I do enjoy the Rayleigh's branded capers. There will be lemon juice. Actually, later on this morning, I will be going to the store and getting a fresh lemon. And the sad bunch of parsley was left over from yesterday. I'll be getting another thing of parsley. Red pepper flakes, which are potent, by the way. These are the pepper flakes I got from LA Merchandise, the Indian store. And, yeah, every time I open them, I sneeze. So, and a full half cup of Clover unsalted butter. That's what I have going on this Friday. So what's on your menu? Are you going to do you have your weekend plans already set? I do. But you know me, I always have my stuff planned way in advance. So, have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.